Hello, everybody. My name is Matt Shitwood, and I am the Sports and Athletic Director at North Central Technical College, located in Wausau, Wisconsin. Also, we have John DeGroot, who will be able to answer some questions that you might have after this quick presentation. So, welcome, everybody. I'd like to first talk about is our arena. I think our arena could be argued as the best esports arena in the state of Wisconsin. Features 24 high-end gaming computers, which our student athletes love playing on. We also have a 100-inch TV for VOD reviews, 3 console stations, a shoutcasting studio, and each student athlete receives an electronic key to access the arena anytime the campus is open. The arena is also in the Student Center Hub, which features the cafeteria and Starbucks, the Den, which is kind of the social and interactive place where our students hang out. New to the campus, a gaming simulator, and also Spoons. Spoons is a restaurant that features our culinary arts students, so some delicious food there. Our program features 3 varsity teams in Rocket League, Overwatch, and League of Legends. We are members of NACE. This year, we joined the New England Collegiate Conference, and also our teams participate in CSL competitions as well throughout the year. Each varsity team has their own coach. Some of the coaches had played esports collegiately. Some have played in more high-end competitions. Just very knowledgeable about the games. And they also create great relationships with our student athletes, pushing them, improving their technical skills, working together, the success skills, the teamwork, all that great stuff. We also feature a esports academic advisor, Ellen. Ellen keeps sure that all our student athletes are doing well in the classroom. Last year, our 3 teams averaged a 3.5 GPA. And then we also have John and myself that help work with Ellen and the coaches and our student athletes as well. Some new things happening with our program. We have a brand new website that's pretty slick. I encourage all of you to go check it out. It has our schedule, has some information about the players, the teams. You'll be able to see pictures of the arena and some other great information. One thing that's going to be happening on our website here shortly is we just signed a deal with Aporia Customs online store. So we're going to be able to have tons of our gear, jackets, hoodies, t-shirts, mouse pads, stickers, you name it, we're going to have it. So we're going to get our branding out in the state of Wisconsin, hopefully regionally, and some good things happening. So we're on social media with Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also Discord. We also have our own YouTube channel. Luckily, in the last couple weeks, we've hired some students that are in video productions and marketing that are really going to take our program to the next level. And again, I talked about branding. So it's very student-centered. Great things are happening. At NTC, we have over 190 program offerings, everything from IT, cybersecurity, networking, software development, engineering, civil engineering, mechanical design, architecture, video productions, graphic communications, agriculture, business, sports and rec, public safety, and manufacturing. We also have a link here to check out those programs if you want more details. Affordable. So out-of-state resident tuition is around $220 per credit. The Wisconsin resident tuition rate is around $150 per credit. That's, if you compared that to any other university or college, that's very affordable. So a lot of our students get that same academic excellence, but at definitely a reduced price compared to some other maybe colleges and universities in the United States. Each year, our campus distributes more than, or just under $500,000 to all our students each year. I think there's over 600 scholarships that are available. We also have on-campus housing. This is the Timberwolf Suites. It's about 2 or 3 years old. We have a lot of our student athletes living here. You can choose from a single, a double, and then I think quads, so 4. And I think we have at least 2 rooms that have 4 student athletes. So they're always hanging out, having a great time, and becoming great friends. Transfer agreements. So we are a 2-year school, a technical college, but we have partnerships with more than 50 university and colleges to continue your education. So some of those universities are Michigan Tech, UW-Madison, UW-Milwaukee, all the other UW campuses, Purdue, Lakeland University, and the Milwaukee School of Engineering. So you could come to NTC, play a couple of years for us, and then you would have 2 to 3 years to go on and play at a 4-year university. So save some money, start with us, and go anywhere. A little bit about Wausau. So we are in the area of Wisconsin called the North Woods. Beautiful trees, hilly, lakes, rivers, the great outdoors. But we're also a nice sized city. So the metro area is about 70,000 people, very affordable cost of living, very safe. Again, like I said, surrounded by nature. There's entertainment, there's places to eat, hang out. We have the best ski hill in the state of Wisconsin called Granite Peak. So a lot of cool runs and snowboarding park within the hill as well. And we're 2.5 hours away from Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Milwaukee, and an hour and a half away from Madison and Green Bay. So that's just a little bit about our program. If you'd like to be recruited, we have a little form right here, and we'd follow up with you guys immediately. Also, just check out ntc.edu for more information about our campus. And go Timberwolves. So thank you.